From this video, I would like to explain the problems of 3, 4 and 5 from exercise 2.5 of class 9th maths from AP and Telangana state boards. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Question number 3, that is factorize the following using appropriate identities. The first one is 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. So first of all, you have to check which is the suitable identity for this expression. See, 16x square and 9y square. 16x square we can write as 4x whole square. And come to the 9y square. 9 is a perfect square. So 9y square we can write as 3y square. So it is in the form of a square plus b square. So here plus is there. So write in the 2ab form. 2. The value of a is 4x here. The value of b is 3y here. Multiply it. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24 into x into y. So now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So write this formula: a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is in the left hand side. Now convert into right hand side, that is a plus b whole square. So the value of a is 4x here. The value of b is 3y. So now it is in the form of 4x plus 3y whole square. This is the factor of 4x 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Second one, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Here 4 is a perfect square. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. These are perfect squares. So 4y square you can write 2y whole square minus 1 you write as 1 square. Now 2y square is considered as a square, 1 square as b square. So it is minus is there. So minus 2ab. Minus 2 into, in the place of a, 2y is there. In the place of b, 1 is there. So write like this. Now check, it is 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1, 4. Y. So it is right. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So write that formula: a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a minus b square. So write a minus b whole square, 2y, that is a, b is 1 here, 2y minus 1 whole square. You can write as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. These are the factors of a given expression. Next, third one, that is 4x square minus y square by 25. 4x square, 4 and 25 are perfect squares. So 4x square we can write as 2x whole square minus y square by 25 we can write as y by 5 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So write that formula: a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b plus b. In the place of a, 2x is there. In the place of b, y by 5 is there. So write that one: 2x plus y by 5. This is a plus b. A minus b is 2x minus y by 5. These are the factors of this one. Next, fourth one: 18a square minus 50. Here 18 is not a perfect square, 50 also not a perfect square. So cannot write in the a square minus b square. Then what we have to do? In 18 and 50, 2 will cancel. So common 2 this both times. So take common 2. Then it is 9a square. 2 9s are 18 into a square, 18a square minus, in 52 25 times will cancel, so 25. Now 9 and 25 are perfect squares, so you can write now 9a square as 3a whole square minus 25 as 5 square. Now 3a square minus 5a square, 5 square is in the form of a square minus b square. So write that formula: a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. It is equals to 2 is already there. So 3a square minus 5a square, 5 square is equals to a plus b. In the place of a, 3a is there, plus b. In the place of b, 5 is there. 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. So these are the factors of 18a square minus 50. Next, fifth one, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. It is a quadratic expression. We can do factorization by using splitting method, but here factorize the following using an appropriate identities only. So by using identity only, we have to factorize this quadratic expression. So how it is? See, 5 we can write as 2 plus 3, 6 by using 2 into 3. So first convert like that: x square plus 5, that means that is 2 plus 3 of x. 6 by using 2 and 3 only, we can write as 2 into 3. So now it is in the form of x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So what is that formula? X plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Given a expression is look like right hand side. Now you write in left hand, like left hand side, x plus a into x plus b. So x plus, in the place of a, 2 is there, so x plus 2 into x plus, in the place of b, 3 is there. So these are the factors of a given expression: x plus 2 into x plus 3. Next, sixth one, 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Observe this: 3p square, 24p, 36, these coefficients are divided by 3. So take common 3 now. 3. Take common 3, then it will be p square minus 3 in 24, 8 times will cancel, so 8p plus in 36, 12. So now you write, here minus is there, so observe carefully, p square, take plus of 8p you can write as minus 2 plus of minus 6. So minus 2 minus 6, that is minus 8p plus 12. By using minus 2 and minus 6 you can write like this, minus 2 into minus 6. Then that identity, related identity, is x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab, that is equals to 3 is as it is. This is x plus a, so in the place of x p is there, p plus, in the place of a minus 2 is there, so p plus of minus 2 into p plus of, in the place of b minus 6 is there, so minus 6. Now again 3 into plus of minus, plus into minus minus, so 3 into p minus 2. This one is also plus into minus minus, so this p minus 6. So these are the factors of 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Now fourth question, first one, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Expand each of the following using suitable identity. So it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square or x plus y plus z whole square. Here x, y, z's are there, so take a, b, c for our convenient. So a plus b plus c whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So in the place of a, x is there, in the place of b 2y is there, in the place of c 4z is there, so a square, that is x square plus b square, that is 2y whole square plus c square, that is 4z whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into bc, 2y into 4z plus 2ca, 2 into 4z into x. So simplify it, x square means x square plus 2y square means 2 square value 4, y square, 4z square, 4 square means 16, z square, plus multiply the numbers, 2 into 1 into 2, 2 2s are 4. Next variable, multiply the variables x into y, xy. Next multiply the numbers, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16, y, z. Here multiply the numbers first, 2 4s are 8. Next multiply the variables, z into x, zx. So this is the expansion of a given expression. Second one, 2a minus 3b whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube. Use xy, x minus y whole cube, that is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square cube. In the place of xa, x 2a is there, in the place of y 3b is there, so x cube 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into x square, that is 2a whole square into y, in the place of y 3b is there, plus 3, in the place of x 2a is there, in the place of y 3b is there, 3b whole square. Now 2a whole cube, 2 cube means 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, a cube minus 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, b cube minus 3 into first simplify 2a whole square, 2 square value 4, a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a, right as it is, simplify 3b whole square, 3 square means 9, b square, again 8a cube minus 27b cube, multiply the numbers first, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36a square b plus multiply the numbers first, 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54, a into b square, that is a b square. So this is the expansion of 2a minus 3b whole cube. Next third one, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. So you convert into x plus y plus z whole square or a plus b plus c whole square. So you write like this, minus 2a plus 5b plus minus 3c whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Here ABCs are there, so you write x plus y plus z for our convenience without confusing. So x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, that is equals to, in the place of x minus 2a is there, in the place of y 5b is there, in the place of z minus 3 is there, so substitute that the required places, minus 2a whole square plus y, that is 5b whole square plus minus 3c whole square plus 2xy, 2 into minus 2a into 5b plus 2yz, 2 into 5b into minus 3c plus 2 into zx, that is minus 3c into 2a minus 2a. So simplify this one. First symbols simplify, minus square, that is minus into minus plus. Next 2 square, that is 4 a square, so this value is 4a square. Next 5 square, 25 b square plus symbol minus square means minus into minus plus 3 square value 9 c square minus into plus minus. Next numbers, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Next variables, a into b, ab. Here first multiply the symbols, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Next variables, b into c, bc. Next multiply the symbols, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Next numbers, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Next variables, c into a, that is ca. So this is the required expansion of given expression. Next fourth one, that is a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. First of all, you write like this: a by 4 plus of minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So now it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. In the place of x, take a by 4. In the place of y, take minus b by 2. In the place of z, take 1. So x square, that is a by 4 whole square, plus y square, that is minus b by 2 whole square, plus z square, that is 1 square, plus 2xy, 2 into a by 4 into y, that is minus b by 2, plus 2yz, 2 into, in the place of y, minus b by 2 is there, into 1, plus 2 into zx, that is 1 into a by 4. So here these two cancel in this 2 one time, this 2 will be cancelled, this 2 in 4 2 times will cancel. So simplify this one: a by 4 whole square, a square by 4 square value 16, minus whole square, that is plus b square by 2 square value 4 plus 1 square value 1. After simplification, multiply the symbols first: plus into plus, plus into minus, minus. Next, numerators 1 into a into b, ab. Next, denominators 4 into 1, 4. So minus ab by 4. Next, symbols plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Numerator 1 into b, b into 1, b. So b. Next, denominators are not there here. Next, symbols, multiply the symbols: plus into plus, plus into plus, plus. Next, 1 into a by 2 is there here. So this is the required expansion of a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Next, fifth one is p plus 1 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is equals to, in the place of a, p is there, in the place of b, 1 is there, substitute that value is p cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into p square to 1, 3 into p into 1 square, p cube plus 1 cube value 1 plus 3 into 1, 3, 3 into p square, 3p square plus 1 square value 1, 1 into 3p, 3p. So this is the expansion of p plus 1 whole cube. Next one is x minus 2 by 3 y, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In the place of a, x is there, in the place of b, 2 by 3 y is there. So substitute that values: a cube x cube minus 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into a square, that is x square. B is 2 by 3 y plus 3ab square. 3 into a x, b 2 by 3 y whole square. X cube minus 2 cube, that is 8 y cube by 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3x square into 2y by 3. 3 3 cancel, plus 3 into x, 3x. Simplify this one. 2 square value 4 y square by 3 square value 9. 3 3s are 9. This 3 in 9. 3 times cancel. So x cube minus 8y cube by 27 minus, here first you write the number, that is 2 x square y. Here 4 is there, variables x y square by 3. So this is the expansion of x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Next, fifth question. First one, that is 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. So observe this carefully. 25, 16 and 4 all are perfect squares. So you convert like this. 25x square we can write as 5x whole square plus 16y square you can write 4y whole square plus this is 2z whole square plus 2ab. The symbol is minus. In the 2ca the symbol is minus. So observe this two terms. In these two terms a is common. So in the place of a we get minus. So take minus 5x whole square here. So 2 in the place of a you write minus 5x. In the place of b you write value is 4y. After simplification we will get same. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40 into xy. So it is satisfied. Next plus 2bc. 2 into, in the place of b 4y is there. C, that is 2z. Next plus 2ca. 2ca. C value is 2z. A value is minus 5x. Simplify this one. First multiply these symbols. Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So it is satisfied. So now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So write that formula. A plus b plus c whole square, identity. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is given expression in the look like right hand side, so you take left hand side a, that is minus 5x, plus b, that is 4y, plus c, that is 2z whole square. So this is the factorization of given expression. Next, second one that is 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Here 9, 4, 16 are perfect squares, so you write 9a square as 3a whole square plus 4b square as 2b whole square plus 16 square c, 16c square as 4c whole square. Observe these terms. It is in the 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here at the 2bc minus is there, at 2ca minus is there. So the common term is c. So at 4c you take minus, then only it is satisfied. So plus 2ab, 2 in the place of a, 3a is there, 2ab, b as 2b plus 2bc, 2 into b, 2b into c minus 4. We will check it. Plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So, and multiply the variables ab. So, it is satisfied. Next, multiply the symbols. Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Next, multiply the variables bc. So, it is satisfied. So, this is correct. Plus 2ca, 2, c value is minus 4c, a value that is 3a. Get 2 into, first multiply the symbols, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Next 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Next c into a, ca. So it is satisfied. So now it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. That is equals to, in the place of x 3a is there, plus in the place of y 2b is there, plus in the place of z minus 4c is there, whole square. Similarly again simplify it, 3a plus 2b plus into minus, minus 4c whole square. This is the factorization of a given expression. So the fifth problem is over. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates or friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.